In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to FTP with Bluehost effortlessly. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible so you can take full control of your website with confidence. First things first, you'll need to log into your Bluehost account manager. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your hosting account. You'll need your credentials handy, so make sure you have your username and password ready to go. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard that gives you an overview of your account. Next, we need to navigate to the Websites tab. Look toward the left-hand sidebar on your screen. This is the navigational menu. The Websites option is nestled in there, so go ahead and click on it. This is where Bluehost organizes all the websites you handle, making it simple to find and manage each one. Once you're in the Websites section, you'll see a list of all the sites under your management. Scroll through until you find the specific site you want to work with. When you locate it, you'll notice a Settings button associated with that particular site. Click on the Settings button to delve a little deeper into the site's specific settings and configurations. After clicking Settings, you're going to look for the Files and Access tab. This is crucial because it's essentially where all the magic happens in terms of file management for your website. Take a look at the horizontal menu that runs across the top of your screen and locate Files and Access. Click on it to proceed. Inside the Files and Access section, you want to find the FTP Access section. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is essential for uploading or downloading files to your server. It's a bit like using a digital briefcase to shuttle your website's files back and forth from your computer to your host. This section is integral if you want to manage your files manually or with an FTP client. Within FTP Access, there will be a Manage button. Go ahead and click it to enter the FTP Management panel. This panel is your control center for everything FTP related. Here, you can create new FTP accounts, manage existing ones, and set permissions depending on who needs access to your site's files. It's designed to give you complete oversight and control over file transfers to and from your Bluehost server. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set up and ready to manage your website's files through FTP on Bluehost. This process empowers you to handle your digital assets with greater flexibility and professionalism. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made FTP with Bluehost a little less daunting and a whole lot more manageable.